Veggies keep us strong all day.
Hi there, little friends. My name is Adayoma. Welcome to Veggie World. Here, fruits and veggies are our friends, full of colors, flavors, and fun. They help us grow big, strong, and happy. Let's jump in, meet all the yummy, crunchy veggies and sweet, juicy fruits, and learn why they're so good for us. Ready to explore? Let's go!
Veggies keep us strong all day.
All right, let's bring these fruits and veggies to life. Here are 10 friendly, sometimes silly characters you will love meeting on your plates. Each one has a unique personality and a big reason why they should be part of a healthy meal.
Veggies keep us strong all day.
Meet Benny the banana.
Veggies keep us strong all day.
Hey kids, I am Benny the banana. I'm like a natural battery. Eat me, and you'll be zooming around like a superhero. I am a fantastic, happy-go-lucky guy who's always ready for adventure. I love to swing from trees and play around. I am full of potassium, which helps you stay strong and keeps your muscles working just right. I am also great for energy. I'll keep you fueled for playtime and your heart healthy. Plus, I'm sweet and easy to peel. Now meet my friend Carrot Carl.
Veggies keep us strong all day.
Hey kids, I am Carrot Carl. I'm your vision buddy. Munch on me and you'll see even the tiniest ladybugs. I am a cheerful, bright carrot who always has a big grin on his face. I am a little nerdy and love reading books. I am packed with vitamin A, and it helps keep your eyes sharp so they can see better, even in dim light. I help keep eyes healthy and skin glowing. I am crunchy and sweet, making me a fun snack. Now meet my friend Strawberry Sally.
Veggies keep us strong all day.
Hey kids, I am Strawberry Sally. I'm like a fruity superhero. I protect you from nasty colds and give you rosy cheeks. I am sweet, bubbly, and love to laugh. Although I am shy, I warm up quickly and have the best giggle. I am full of vitamin C, which strengthens your immune system and helps you stay healthy and fight off sniffles. I keep you feeling your best and give your skin a healthy glow. I am juicy, sweet, and perfect as a snack. Now meet my friend Broccoli Bella.
Veggies keep us strong all day.
Hey kids, I am Broccoli Bella. Eat me, and you'll be as strong as a dinosaur. Roar! I am bold, brave, and never afraid to stand up for myself. I am the leader of the veggies. I am full of fiber and vitamin K. I help keep your tummy happy and your bones strong. I am a great sidekick for staying healthy, making you feel full, and giving you super bones. Now meet my friend Tommy the Tomato.
Veggies keep us strong all day.
Hey kids, I am Tommy the Tomato. I'm a heart helper. With me around, you'll feel as happy as I look. I am a jolly red guy who loves singing and dancing. I am always happy and can cheer up anyone. I have lots of antioxidants which help keep my heart healthy and protect my body from getting sick. I keep your heart happy and help you feel strong. I am juicy and tasty, especially in sauces and salads. Now meet my friend Apple Annie.
Veggies keep us strong all day.
Hey kids, I am Apple Annie. Remember the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? I come in 2 colors, red and green. Crunch me to stay healthy and happy. I am playful, green, and sometimes a bit of a prankster. I am crisp and crunchy and love to make kids giggle. I am full of fiber and vitamin C, which help with digestion and strengthen the immune system. I keep your tummy feeling tremendous and help you stay strong against sneaky colds. Now meet my friend Sweet Potato Obi.
Veggies keep us strong all day.
Hey kids, I am Sweet Potato Obi. I'm like dessert but super healthy. Munch on me and stay full and happy. I am warm, cozy, and a bit of a hugger. I am sweet and always want everyone to feel comfy. I am full of vitamin A. Fiber helps with good vision and keeps you energetic. I am like a cozy blanket for your tummy, keeping you full and giving you the energy to play. Now meet my friend, Peppy the Pea.
Veggies keep us strong all day.
Hey kids, I am Peppy the Pea. I may be small, but I pack a punch. Pop me in your mouth for some muscle power. I am tiny but mighty. I am energetic, love to jump around, and am a jokester. I am packed with protein and fiber, which help with growth and keep your muscles strong. I am great at growing kids and keeping you full of bounce and energy. Now meet my friend Orangey the Orange.
Veggies keep us strong all day.
Hey kids! I am Orangey the Orange. I'm sunshine and a snack. Squeeze me for lots of smiles and robust health. I am zesty, fun, and have a big, bright smile. I am always in a good mood and love sharing my juice. I am full of vitamin C, which helps keep your immune system strong and make your skin glow. I am a sunny friend who keeps you healthy and glowing, and my juicy sweetness is super tasty. Now, meet my friend Cucumber Coolie.
Veggies keep us strong all day.
Hey kids, I am Cucumber Coolie. I'm like a mini water fountain. Crunch on me for cool refreshments anytime. I am calm and refreshing, and I love to chill. I am easygoing and always feel nice and cool. I am full of water and fiber. I help keep you hydrated and your skin fresh. I am great for hot days and keep you hydrated and happy.
Veggies keep us strong all day.
I hope you had fun meeting your friendly fruits and veggies, which bring you tons of fun and health benefits. Each has a story, helping you remember why they're important and delicious additions to your daily meal. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you for listening. Please like, share with your family, friends, and remember to subscribe. Stay healthy, hydrated, and happy snacking.
Veggies keep us strong all day.